Let's talk about the cell. What's the definition of cell that you've got in the notebook? You've got in the notebook. What's the definition? Yeah? Basic unit of life. Yeah? It's the smallest thing. We have 3 different kind of cells in the planet. We have one like that. We have one like that. And we have one like this. Yeah? These 3 cells we know in our planet. Yeah? What are the differences between them?
Animal cell, the second, no lo estoy diciendo por orden. Animal cell.
Which one is the animal cell?
Célula animal.
Yeah, but which one?
La segunda.
This one? Alright, this is animal cell.
La tercera es célula vegetal.
Alright, this is plant cell.
Y one is the
Bacteria? Good. That you draw in the notebook a bacteria, yes or not? Yeah. Okay, but what's the difference? What can we see? Yeah? Animal cell. You are animals, right? What are you? You are not an animal? Yeah, I'm afraid so. We're animals too, yeah? We're very, very similar to the pigs. You know the pigs? Yeah? We are very similar. And almost the same than the gorillas and the monkeys. Yeah? So we are the same. We're animals. Our cells are like that. So what can you see? Which one is more complex? Tell me something. Yeah? Animal and plant cell. These 2 are more complex. Yeah? So this one is more simple. Yeah? The bacteria cell is very, very, very old. Yeah? In the time. Because bacteria cells were the first cells into the planet. Many, many millions of years ago. Yeah? So it's very old. Old cells. And these are, much more recent. Yeah, in the time. So this is all cells, simpler than the others. And what else? What else can we see? What's this? The DNA, right? Is this the DNA? This is the DNA. And what's the DNA for? What does it got, the DNA inside? Yeah, the information about ourselves. All the information, all the instructions, everything is in this molecule here. Yeah? But you can see that in this cell, the DNA is like free. It's like floating or swimming into the water here. Yeah? But in these 2, the DNA is, inside like a balloon. Right? It's inside. What's the name of this structure? The nucleus. Good. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. So here, we don't have nucleus. We don't have, this balloon. We don't have them here.
DNA are moving.
Yeah, it's moving, it's floating in the cytoplasm inside the cell. More things. This line, what's that? What's this line? What's this line? What's the name?
Membrane.
Membrane, of course. Cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. Repeat it with me. Cell membrane. Again. Right. What's this place here inside? What's the name? The cytoplasm. Here. Cytoplasm. Repeat with me. Cytoplasm. All right. Cytoplasm. All right. And what about this thing here? This structure that I put outside. What's this? Very good. Very good. The plant cell has got like a box outside.
Cell wall.
The cell wall, yeah. This is the cell wall. What? Which is rigid. Rigid, yeah? It's very strong. The main component of the cell wall for the plant is cellulose. What's cellulose? In Spanish? Yeah, do we have cellulose here in the class? Where? This is a plant cell, lady. Are you a plant? I cannot see you green. Do we have cellulose here in the class? There is a lot of cellulose here in the class. Look. This is cellulose. Yeah? We cut the trees to make the paper. Yeah? This is cellulose. Alright? And the cellulose is in the cell wall of the plant cells. Is that okay? Okay, so we are going to put a name for the cells without nucleus and to the cells with nucleus. So, without, what's without? With or without? Yeah, without nucleus. And these two with nucleus. Yeah? Yes? Yeah, what?
The plant cell is strongest than the animal cell.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. The only thing I said is that the cell wall is very strong and it's outside. But I didn't compare with the animal cell. Right? I didn't say so. It's different, nothing else. But both of them are strong.
Yes.
Right?
But why the animals are stronger than porque cuando me como un solomillo me cuesta más que comer una lechuga. Y la lechuga tiene células con pared celular y el solomillo.
That's a very good question. Because the animal cell has got inside like an internal skeleton. Yeah? The animal cell has got inside a skeleton. Yeah? That's why the animal cell don't need, the animal cell doesn't need the cell wall. Yeah? The plant cell doesn't have internal skeleton. because it's outside, right? And the animal cell doesn't have cell wall because it has got internal skeleton. Yeah? That's a difference between animal and plant cell. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Entonces la célula de la célula no tiene esqueleto.
No. Not internal. It doesn't need it. Yeah? It doesn't need it because it's enough with the cell wall.
¿A qué células nos parecemos más? ¿A las plantas o a las bacterias?
What do you think? You compare. You compare.
Las mías son totalmente diferentes.
Yeah.
Casi nada sería similar to plant cell.
Excuse me?
The animal cell is more similar to the plant cell.
Yeah. Well, if you compare the nucleus, they are similar. Yeah. But there are also differences. So, we cannot compare really, can we? They are different. Yeah. So, the name of a cell without nucleus, we are going to call it prokaryotic. And the name for the cells with nucleus, we are going to call it eukaryotic. Look, just to remember, karyo means nucleus. Yeah? Pro means before. And eu means true. Yeah? This is true nucleus. This is before nucleus. It's easy, right?
Yes.
So, these cells without the membrane, we call them prokaryotic cells. These cells with the membrane and the DNA inside the nucleus, we call them eukaryotic. Alright? Yeah? Any doubts by now? Wait. Everybody's okay with that?
Yes.
Fingers up? Very good. Okay, you copy then. Hola a todos, chicos, chicas. Esta ha sido la clase de biología de hoy. Espero que te haya gustado y que lo hayas comprendido. En caso de tener alguna duda, escribe algún comentario en el propio vídeo y organizaremos un directo para resolver las dudas juntos. ¿De acuerdo? A estudiar biología. ¡Ánimo! ¡Suerte!